Ever wonder how websites and apps always seem to know where you are? That's your IP address quietly sharing your location. But what if you could go invisible online? That's where NordVPN comes in. A VPN hides your IP address, encrypts your data, and keeps your online activity private. Think of it as switching from a glass tunnel to an armored one. No one can peek inside. Whether you're working remotely, traveling, or just tired of ads stalking you, NordVPN gives you control over your privacy. Setting it up is easy. Click the link below for NordVPN's best deal, 74% off plus 3 extra months. Choose a plan. Plus is the best value. Sign up and download the app. In minutes, you're protected. Hit Quick Connect and NordVPN finds the fastest, most secure server for you. Want to appear in another country? One click and you're virtually there. For extra security, enable features like Auto Connect for public Wi-Fi, the kill switch to prevent data leaks, and threat protection to block ads and malicious sites. It's privacy and speed rolled into one. NordVPN isn't just about security, it's also a streaming unlocker. Access Netflix, Hulu, or BBC iPlayer libraries from anywhere. Traveling? Switch to your home country and keep watching your favorite shows. And don't forget MeshNet, a spy movie-level feature that connects your devices securely, letting you share files instantly without the cloud. Ready to go invisible? Use the link below to grab NordVPN's best deal. It costs you nothing extra and helps support the channel. Stay safe, stay private, and enjoy your new digital freedom. No one's watching now.